Hey guys, it's me again. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. When I was in year 11, I was completely baffled which A-levels to choose from out of the thousands of options that there are. And I'm sure many of you must be in the exact same position that I was once in. Today, I'm going to be discussing with you how to choose the perfect A-levels for you. But wait, before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all my videos because I post weekly. Now let's get on with the video. The first thing to do is to start off with a plain piece of paper. On that piece of paper, write a list of all of your strengths. What subjects are you best at? And then alongside of it, write down all of the subjects that you enjoy the most. What do you go to school looking forward to do? If you love a subject that you also enjoy, highlight those because they are going to be strong contenders. You're more than likely going to be leaning towards taking them for your A-levels. Now, I'm sure plenty of you have been thinking about specific career paths that you really want to go down. This is where the website Which comes really handy. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen it on TV adverts, newspapers, magazines, but you probably have never heard about Which University. I'll leave a link to it in the comments down below, but basically what it is you tell them what career you'd like to take, what university you'd like to go to, what degree you'd like to do, and it tells you the A-levels you should take. Also, if you tell them what A-levels you're thinking of taking, it tells you what career paths those options open up the doors for. It's such a useful website that my mum showed to me, and honestly it was amazing. So guys, I'd really recommend you use that. It will definitely help you choose which subjects will help you maximise your chances of getting into a specific industry. However, you might have your heart set on a specific job or career path in the future, but at GCSE level you know you hated similar subjects. I really would recommend don't limit your options, keep your options open because there's no point taking a subject that you know you will hate at A-level. Take it from me, A-levels is a huge jump up from GCSE. I'm telling you, GCSEs was a walk in the park. Many people say that A-levels are a lot harder than university, so don't punish yourself and don't torture yourself by taking a subject for 2 years that you absolutely hate. These 2 years will drag on forever and it will just be a very bad experience. Make sure you take something you love to do, you absolutely enjoy it, because you will really have a good time at A-levels. So for example, I'm taking economics because I loved business and maths at GCSEs, and I can guarantee that I love economics. It's something I want to do in the future. Take something you love. Moving on, if you know you have no idea what you want to do in the future, you have no idea what A-levels you want to take, choose facilitating subjects. Essentially, what facilitating subjects do is they allow you to keep your options open. This means that you have a much greater variety of options to choose from in terms of degrees, things to do at uni, stuff like that. So for example, if I know I wanted to be a lawyer, maybe I'd choose law. But then at the end of my A-levels, I decide, no, I want to go into something like medicine. I can't do that. Just choose facilitating subjects. They are the safest options. So facilitating subjects include stuff like maths, English, sciences. They are also very highly regarded by universities. Even if you have your heart set on a specific career path in the future, you know, come what may, you will not change that. I advise you to take at least 1, if not 2, facilitating subjects because it is just a bit of insurance that, you know, your options will be kept open. You know, universities will consider you for different sorts of degrees. So again, for example, if I wanted to be a lawyer, I might choose stuff like history, economics, English or maths. History and maths are facilitating subjects, so universities will appreciate that when I give in my application. Also guys, as you all know, I want to take economics at a degree level at uni, but you will be very surprised to know that if I don't take economics at A-levels, universities don't care. You don't need economics to do economics at a degree level. They only require you to do maths. So yeah, if you have a sort of tunnel vision on what you want to do at uni, or you know that they are quite specific degrees, just research what the requirements are, because if they don't require you to take a subject, you don't have to do it. So the final point I want you guys to make is keep your options open. Now remember the piece of paper that I told you guys about at the start of the video? You must now have a finalised list of subjects that you are going to consider. on another piece of paper, make a list of all the pros and all the cons of those specific subjects. And at the end of the day, if you really have no idea which one to choose, flip a coin between two subjects. When the coin's about to land, your heart will tell you which subject you want to take. So for example, if I said heads maths, tails economics, and I flipped a coin and it landed on tails and I was upset, at the end of the day, I know I don't want to take economics, I know I want to take maths. So go with your gut, because at the end of the day, your gut will never do you wrong. So to finish this video, the key thing I want you guys to take is keep your options open. Let me give you a key example. All my life, I wanted to be a doctor. So I started off pretty young wanting to be a paediatrician. I was so determined to be a paediatrician. And then around year 9 or year 10, I had a change of heart. I was like, I want to be a plastic surgeon. So I still would have had to take medicine at uni, a 5-year course, and then specialise into surgery and then plastics, and that would have been whatever later down the line. But at the bottom line, I still would have had to do medicine. So that wasn't a problem, you know. I was pretty certain, my family was pretty certain that I was going to do medicine, I was going to be a doctor. And then, at the start of year 11, I had a complete change of heart. I realised that, you know what, I love maths. Maths has been my favourite subject, and I love business. I'm sort of a very entrepreneurial sort of person, you know. I'm going to go into finance. I completely am sure about the industry, whether it's management consultancy, hedge fund management, you know, whatever. I want to go down finance. So that would have meant I had to change my A-levels completely. So this is why I urge you guys to take facilitating subjects. Keep your options open. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a huge thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below to see me weekly. See you next week, guys. Bye.